Welcome to HQR. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to submit data for hybrid measures and view your submission outcomes. From the dashboard, go to the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Select Data Submissions. Select the Hybrid Measures tab. Select Submission Type. For this example, we'll upload a hybrid measure file to production. Select the production card. Now you're on the Upload page. To upload a file, use the Select Files button. Select the file you want to upload from your computer. You'll see the file processing in the uploads. Once processing is finished, the system will confirm that HQR accepted the file by showing a green checkmark. To check the outcomes of your file, go to the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Select Data Results. Select Hybrid Measures. Select the submission type you want to view. In this scenario, we select Production. Click on the Select button. Now you will see the files you have uploaded. Next, go to the tabs at the top of the page and select the Accuracy tab. Select the submission type and quarter you want to view. Then click on the Select button. Here you can see the total number of files uploaded. Of those total files, you will see here how many were accepted, rejected, or deleted. You can also sort the table by file status. To see the errors for each file, select the asterisk next to the number in the Errors column. You can open and close each error for more details. Now go to the top of the page to the tabs again and select Outcomes. To see outcomes for particular files or quarters, select the submission type, quarter, and measure. In this scenario, we will select Test for the submission type. Then click on the Select button. Next, you will see numbers for each section calculated. To get more information on how IPP was met, select this information icon and review the modal that appears. Refer to the Hybrid HSR for additional information on the percentage of cases that were able to be matched to claims. To switch to see your production submissions, go back to the Submission filter, select Production, and change Selection. Now you will see your data for the files added in production. And that's it. Look for more quick tutorials at hqr.cms.gov/support.